RV video.
Well, I'm going fishing, and there ain't no wishing. I've got the ride in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing. There's no better place to meet with your mates and maybe have a beer or two. And if the trout are a-biting, hey, there'll be some fighting, 'cause that's what these fish do. They jump in the air, shake their head in despair, and try and get away from you. Now if your lines are a-pinging, you heard your reel singing, you know you got some work to do. Now I'm going fishing, and there ain't no wishing. I got the ride in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing.
This is city living here.
Oh yeah, it's not Grass Valley or Penn Valley.
No, it's not. This is city living.
Most fishermen say the best time of day will help you bag one or two. Now sunrise or sunset is your best bet, for that's when they're on the chew. 'Cause if you got the right gear and half an idea, then you know what you've gotta do. You lift your rod in the air and you set that hook fair and play him back to you. Now I'm going fishing, and there ain't no wishing. I've got the ride in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing. I got the ride in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing.
47 minutes away, we're going to go to the backside of Lake Berryessa, back to a place called Spanish Flats that you saw on one of our videos. We camped at that place, and I caught a trout there, so we're going to head that way, and we'll be there in about 40 minutes. All right, we're on the road to Lake Berryessa. All right, we're hanging it up for the day. Fished for about 4 hours, not a nibble, a little bit warm.
Yeah.
But
Not that
hey,
warm though.
But hey, man, it was worth the $200 in gas and
$200 in gas. So.
and all the hassle of the traffic to get here.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna head back and see if maybe we can find a river or a creek, someone's pond.
We'll just drive back and see what happens, you know?
Catch some goldfish, whatever it takes. Back on the road home. Cafe. A quick stop after a day of fishing. All right, let's go. This is a little bar and grill right outside Spanish Flat, but you gotta check this out, man. You gotta check this place out. Look at this. These are all bar and grills. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at that.
A number of people, as we were coming over here, but a number of people
These are all
down
modern
Boca
grills.
Lake, they walk up towards
I guess once you get taken down,
the post office is,
donate
and there's
to
some
charities.
things to eat and things like
Look at
that
this.
there. But that's really heading towards
If you were any place but in the middle of the mountains, I got one. Yeah. Go country California. Short day of fishing, a long day of driving. Alright, this is a non-RV RV trip to the Truckee River, trying to catch a trout. We've been fishing now 3 times and we haven't caught a fish yet, so this time we're going into the High Sierra. It's cold outside. We're going to try to catch a natural rainbow or a speckled brown trout. Let's do it. Lost RVers, come along. Alright, so the first place we stopped, where I thought we could get to the river, there's a bunch of gates there. Can't get to the river. We did stop and get treble hooks, bait. So now we're on a typical mountain cruise looking for an accessible place to fish the Truckee River. When we find it, who knows? We will. is. Depends on if you can get down there easily or not. Either one. There's the Truckee. How far down is it? Way down there? All right, well. Yeah, we just found out not only can we get access to the river, but you can't use bait, and that's all we have. Got a couple of lures, but yeah, this has been disappointing. All right, let's go find some place to fish. You can't even keep them, you gotta throw them back. Barbless hooks, and if you catch one, you can't keep it. This has really been a
Okay, we used to learn something.
yeah, I guess so. All right, the Lost RVers lost again, but we're gonna find some place.
Okay, so we're just looking for a place to fish now, right?
Yes.
Either Boca or
Anywhere, any water. And we just spent, $30 on hooks and
Yeah, we got some
bait,
night crawlers. We got to kill
worms.
some of them.
Find out you can't use hooks, weights, or worms in the Truckee River. So, remember, folks, it's not catching the fish, it's fishing.
Yeah.
And whether you're just driving in a truck looking for a place to fish, or you're fishing and catching no fish, it's all the same, right?
Right. I agree.
Bullshit. October. Fuck. See that? It's just stop last time we went here.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
All right, cross the dam and 5 miles ahead, another 5 miles, another 5. miles, another 5 miles. Oh, let's go across the dam. All right, well, this is Boca Reservoir Dam.
Okay.
Oh, look, yeah, I knew. We're going to have dirt roads for 5 miles.
Well, at least, well, we've probably gone a mile, maybe 4 more. At least these aren't bad dirt roads.
Yeah, but they're dirt roads.
It's not like alligator.
I know, I get so tired of bouncing this truck. I use this truck as a designated tow vehicle for a 21 FP Mesa Ridge. So these side excursions just bounces the crap out of all the electronics and everything else. We got some pretty big trips coming up.
Turn right to stay on
See,
Boca
my
Road.
phone isn't doing too good either.
Sitting in the sun, a friend of mine near, sharing old times, sipping on a beer. He started talking, but I drifted away. Next thing I know, he's shaking my arm, saying, "What do you think? Would it do me any harm?" And I realized I didn't know what to say. Well, I know it's important, but I really wasn't listening. Okay, you caught me. I was wishing I was fishing.
Go across another dam face. Dam
My girl and
face.
me out
We're gonna
celebrating.
buy some
Sitting
damn
at the
bait.
table, the waiter
to
was
fish the
waiting.
damn lake.
Asked if I was ready to order some food. My girl started talking about reading a book. Next thing I remember, she was giving me a look. I heard her saying, "You're ruining the mood." Well, I know it's important, but I really wasn't listening. Okay, you caught me. I was wishing I was fishing. Well, I know that I don't have a good excuse. I should pay attention, but it ain't no use. I guess it's important, but I really wasn't listening. Okay, you caught me. I was wishing I was fishing. Playing on the stage, guitars humming, bass kicking butt, drummer was drumming, crowd getting rowdy, getting carried away. I started picking and grinning at the women, shaking my stuff, my head started swimming, went up to the mic and forgot what to say. Well, I know it's important, but I really wasn't listening. Okay, you caught me. I was wishing I was fishing. Well, I know that I don't have a good excuse. I should pay attention, but it ain't no use. Better ask me again. I really wasn't listening. Okay, you caught me. I was wishing I was fishing. Yeah, wishing I was fishing. Wishing I was fishing. I was wishing I was fishing. Oh, wishing I was fishing. Yeah, you caught me. Wishing I was fishing.
I got one. Yeah.
Wishing I was fishing. Yeah, I was wishing.
My baby thinks I'm cheating when I stay out all night. I tell her that I do no wrong, cause I'll always treat her right. And when that urge will take me, my body will start to shake. I have to go and get my fix, fishing at the fishing lake. She don't
Well, there's some
understand.
excitement.
She thinks I've got it wrong.
Pole just went into the water.
Sometimes I need to
One of
get
two
away
things
and
happening.
be left on my
Fish
own.
bit it and pulled it out.
She knows that I love her,
Fell out.
and I hate
Check it
for her
out.
heart to break.
Now,
But I've
baby.
got to hold my fishing rod, fishing at the fishing lake.
I got one.
There,
Yeah.
I don't need no telephone or the
I'm gonna
picture
cook 'em up.
on TV. I just need the moon and stars to keep me company. And this
this.
Fisher I do. I'll be there until daybreak. I'll be the happiest man alive.
It hasn't rained
Lake.
since last May. This is October. Of course, we come up here, we're about 5,800, Prosser Lake, P-O-S-S-E-R. We couldn't fish the Truckee, so we came up here, and of course, it is so damn cold. My fingers are frozen, I'm wet, and so we're gonna try for another one. Out of sight, finally, catch a fish. Gotta suffer though, we caught one. All right. We're knocking them dead. Where is it? You got one? Already? All right. Yeah. Look at that, baby. They're knocking them dead. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, number 3. We braved the weather, and there it is, man. All right, Prosser Lake. Another one. Look at the skies. The sun's coming out. We're catching fish. Holy moly.
I'm in dreamland. She says she's had it up to here, and no more she can take. Well,
Okay, we're leaving. Got 4 rainbows, froze our asses off. We just gotta get out of this boat.
Man alive, fishing at the Fisher Lake.
And here we go. So this is fishing trip number 2 in the last month or so.
This one was successful.
This was a successful one. The last time we went fishing, it was warm water, and we caught nothing. We were going to give up. This guy gave up. He was sitting in the truck with the heat on.
Yeah, well, I was freezing. I was just freezing.
And I stayed out there in the ice.
Yeah, I know, you did.
And switched over to a small treble hook, very small, micro.
Yeah,
And put some green power bait on, and
that was it.
walked back to the truck, sitting on the tailgate, and bam!
Yeah.
And then bam again, and this guy said, "Oh well, I'll get cold," and he went bam, and I went bam. Okay, there it is, right there.
Well, I'm going fishing,
Prosser Creek Dam.
and there ain't no wishing.
Now, if it was up to me, I would have been down on this right side, down at the bottom down there, fishing the spillway. This guy wanted to go
There's no
there.
better place to meet with
was
your
right.
mates and maybe have a beer or two. And if the trout are a-biting, hey, there'll be some fighting, 'cause that's what these fish do. They jump in the air, shake their head in despair, and try and get away from you. Now if your lines are a-pinging, you heard your reel singing, you know you got some work to do. Now I'm going fishing, and there ain't no wishing. I got the rod in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing.
All right, checkpoint Charlie. Thank you. A little update, we're going up to the summit.
Those fishermen say
41 degrees
best
and
time of
sleep
day
on windshield.
will help you bag one
There's the
or
haul.
two. Now sunrise or
fish.
sunset is
Four
your best
rainbows.
bet, for that's when they're on the tube.
Caught him.
'Cause if you got the right gear
Talk to you
and
later.
half an idea,
Wow,
then you know
this
what you've gotta do. You lift your
rod
rod in the air and you set the hook fair,
tow vehicle,
weighing
which counts
back
as
to
an RV
you.
trip, right? Talk to you later. Thanks
Now
for
I'm
watching.
going fishing, and there ain't no wishing. I got the rod in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going fishing. I got the rod in the car, hell, the lake ain't far. I'm going